Adjustable wrench doing the impossible. Most people believe the adjustable wrench only has one function, but there's a simple and extremely smart use that almost nobody knows. You don't need to adapt, cut, or invent anything, just understand the tool differently. The moment you realize how it works, everything makes sense. The logic is clear, practical, and efficient. And that forgotten wrench in the box becomes one of the most useful tools in your daily life. The adjustable wrench trick works perfectly. Tested, approved, efficient.